Let's unbox the Seagull 1963 White Sports Edition. The watch is very well protected by a double sleeve and tin box. Under the warranty and instruction card, we can find the watch. What a beauty! The case has a 42mm diameter and is fully polished. The NATO strap on the watch feels super luxurious. It's one of the highest quality NATOs I have ever had. Look at this movement. What a stunner. It's hand-winding and has a power reserve of 42 hours. It's even upgraded with a swan neck regulator. The white dial with black subdials looks super sporty. I like the contrast. This is one of my favorites in the entire Seagull 1963 collection. It will definitely grab the attention of people around you and get a lot of compliments. Highly recommend it.